will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on block, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You come here to numbers for foreign countries. You click in this sign, like you see this color for us. It's mean here numbers for region here countries enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.